Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer password manager vault from 1Password to Bitwarden, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your password manager vault from 1Password to Bitwarden, first, open your 1Password application. Next, sign in to your 1Password account. Once logged in, navigate to your vault or the items you wish to export. Look for the export option in the settings menu. Choose the format for your export, ideally, CSV for compatibility. Follow the prompts to save the exported file securely on your device. Now, open your Bitwarden application or visit the Bitwarden website. Sign in to your Bitwarden account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, go to the Tools section. Select the option to import data. From the list of import options, choose 1Password as the source. You will be prompted to upload the CSV file you exported from 1Password. Locate the file on your device and upload it. Bitwarden will then process the import and notify you once it's complete. After the import, review your items in Bitwarden for any discrepancies. Make sure to update any entries that may need adjustments. Finally, securely delete the CSV file to protect your sensitive information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.